I just asked my terminal to fix a bug in my project, create a script for my coming video, and solve my math problem, and it is doing all three inside my computer terminal in real time. No more copy pasting and being lost in a multitude of AI tabs and chats in your browser. Everything is here in your hard drive. Working with this changed the way I create. Everything run faster and more organized. Stick on, let's explore that. The tool I am using is Gemini CLI. It is basically an AI model working inside my computer terminal. Run this command to install it. You just need Node.js installed in your computer and present in your path. After the installation is complete, let's create and open a new file. Type in the mkdir, that stands for make directory, with our new folder name. Then cd or change directory inside of the new folder we just created. We call Gemini in the terminal, sign up to our Google account. Then it will run with a nice terminal user interface. There, I can ask questions, get responses like a regular AI chat. However, the plus is that it has access to your folder's file, access to read, write, modify or create. No more copy pasting your code to debug it. Just enter the folder, fire up Gemini and ask it to debug your code or create anything you want. Everything will be saved in the folder you called in Gemini. This is just fantastic. Something I like is that by typing / you have access to all the options Gemini offers. Feel free to explore everything. The one option that is really useful is the /init. This creates a gemini.md file that makes a summary of what happened in the chat. So next time the folder is opened, Gemini knows what happened there. This is very useful because you can directly reopen the folder and no need to re-explain to Gemini the context, etc. Everything is saved and ready to use. By looking down here, you can see the context that you have left. This is something that the web browser hides from you, but not the terminal. The context is essentially the awareness an AI has during a conversation. The more the context gets down, the more the AI tends to forget previous parts of the chat. That makes its response imprecise. When the context gets too low, just close the chat and open another in the same folder. Don't forget to /init before closing and you're back. System prompts are another useful way to use Gemini. System prompts are instructions that tell the AI how to behave throughout the session. They set the personality and rules the AI follows. To create custom prompts, open your terminal in your home directory and paste this command. This will create a commands folder in your .gemini folder. After that, paste this command to change directory to commands and create a .toml file that we will call, for example, YouTube. We will write inside this file using the nano command. Our system prompt is composed by description and prompt. The description section is shown in /help. And the prompt is the actual user prompt the CLI sends to the model. The args is the argument we will paste after. Now let's head to our test folder and call Gemini inside the chat box. To call the custom prompt, we write / followed by the name of the prompt file, here YouTube, and the argument for Gemini. Gemini will generate us a specific response in function of the prompt we created. Using this option, you can create as many prompts as you want to automate your workflow. If using the terminal scares you, don't panic. The terminal is a very wonderful place. The more you use it, the more it is simple, and you will integrate it in your daily utilization. Other CLI options exist besides Gemini, like Claude or Codex, but these two need paid subscription to be able to use them. On the other hand, Gemini is free to use and very powerful for any task you need. For me, using AI effectively is very important in the modern world. Anyone who doesn't use it or learn it will be left behind. Continue being curious and test new things. Like and subscribe to my channel if this type of context interests you. Goodbye, see you in the next one.